Autumn is slowly leaving its reddish hues on the trees in this place, remote, anchored in a time long past. There's a chill in the air, though not quite enough to keep the midges at bay, and the sun seems reluctant to set. I apologize for the inconsistency of my uploads. These videos feel more like fragments from a travel journal than polished YouTube content. The internet here is sparse. I didn't bring sophisticated tools, and time itself moves at a different pace. But in these 2 weeks, I've learned that this is okay. I'm learning to let my inner child play and enjoy making videos without the pressure of whether people will watch them or not, simply for the joy of creation. For someone who tends to be quite hard on herself, this is a big step forward. I hope to carry the same sense of playfulness into my drawings and other creations soon. Perhaps it's the magic of this place and the people who come here seeking a similar kind of pace. It feels like a retreat for dreamers, lovers of Harry Potter, castles and fairy tales. For those who don't laugh when they see someone talking to birds or chickens, who greet the ghost in the piano room without thinking it's foolish. Because really, what castle is complete without a ghost? None of it matters. Where we come from, how old are we? We're all just people searching for something more in life, even if we don't quite know what that is yet. When I made that video announcing that this channel wouldn't be what I originally planned and that I was packing my bags and leaving, I didn't know how much good that decision would bring me. It was instinct, maybe driven by necessity, but I had the certainty that it would be worth it despite the difficulty. And it has been. So trust your instincts, even when others around you say it's crazy or a way of running from your problems. Just listen to them, because chances are they lead you to something good, even if it seems like madness at first.
¿Quieres comer a servir, hija?
I don't know what will happen once I return to Spain, where this channel will go, or how my creativity will evolve. All I know is that this place is magic, and I'm going to enjoy every bit of it while I can. If you've enjoyed this journey with me, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means the world, and it helps keep this creative space alive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and goodbye.